The Nike Pegasus Premium R vibration is set to be one of Nike Running's standout releases for spring 2026. This edition highlights the brand's focus on community, shared movement, and everyday runners who move at their own rhythm. The shoe features an engineered mesh upper dressed in Off Noir, Ironstone, dark hazel, and black, creating a grounded and modern look. Subtle branding along the forefoot delivers the R vibration message, reinforcing the collection's motivational theme. Abstract running graphics on the medial side add energy without overpowering the design. Performance remains at the core, with responsive cushioning and a visible air unit in the heel for comfort and support during runs. A teal blue outsole detail adds contrast and visual interest. Inside, custom graphic insoles pay tribute to the Nike International Running Team, emphasizing global connection. This release blends style, performance, and culture, making it a meaningful addition to the spring 2026 Nike running lineup.